Barry G is still alive, guys. Yes, Barry Gordon, he is still here with us. Despite all the rumors going around saying that he has passed away, he is still alive and well. Barry Gordon has been one of the most prominent and one of the longest standing radio disc jockey in Jamaica. And rumors has been going around on social media that he has passed away. Well, he's here to let you guys know that, listen, I am still alive and kicking.
I'm alive and kicking. This is how kicking I am on a Sunday. There are reports going around, people carrying news, claiming that me, Barry G, dead. Well, if I did, may the Lord rest my soul. But I'm alive and kicking. I'm at home with my family in Savannah Lamar, Mina Blar. Good afternoon to everyone listening to this in the buses.
The Scoop.